Heart, don't fail me now. Courage, don't desert me. Don't turn back now that we're here. People always say life is full of choices. No one ever mentions fear or how the world can seem so fast on this journey to the past. One step at a time, one hope then another. Who knows where this road may go? Back to who I was, on to find my future things my heart still needs.